Don't you find it annoying that whenever you open Windows Explorer, it opens up to the Start folder? Let's go ahead and do that now. We'll right click on the Start button, up to Explorer. Sure enough, there it starts on the Start menu. Now, why Microsoft decided that everybody on the planet needed to have their Explorer open up to the Start menu, I don't know. Personally, I would rather have it open up to some folder that I use all the time. I use my temp directory a lot. So I would like for Windows to open up every time I click on it. I want it to open up to the temp directory. So the first thing we got to do is we got to go down here to Windows. Now some of you might see a blue screen here, and there's a link right here that allows you to see these. Go ahead and click that link. The Microsoft Explorer police aren't going to come get you or anything, because you're going to be able to need to see all the files in that folder. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. Okay, here's Explorer Execute. That's the file that we want. We want to right click on that. We're going to go up here and we want to set send to. See right here, it says send to desktop, create shortcut. That's what we want to do. Go ahead and click that. Go ahead and close the program. Now you have an icon on your desktop as a shortcut to Explorer. Okay, now we want to make this icon do what we want. Okay, we want to open up to a folder that we want to open up to. So we're going to right click on that icon. We're going to come down to properties, and right here is a target. The target is where Windows opens up your folder at. Okay, now part of it's already highlighted. That's nice. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of information to the end. There are a couple switches we need to put on here. Switches are kind of geeky. I'm not going to tell you what they are, but we need to go ahead and add those. The first one is a /n, and then a comma, and a space, and then a /e, and then a comma, and then a space. And now we're going to tell it what folder we want to open up. Now the folder I want to open up is C, the temp directory on my C drive. Some of you may have two drives on your computer, and it may be a D drive that you want to open up to. That's okay. Then you put D down here instead of C, but I want to, as an example, I want to open up my C drive. So we want to C : this time we want to put a backslash. Okay, and then you want to put in the name of the folder that you want to open. There we go. Temp. Go down here, click apply, then click OK. Now we'll go ahead and test this. We'll double click on the icon now for Explorer. Sure enough, now it comes up in my temp directory. It's exactly where I want it to go. Alright, let's go ahead and close that down. We want to make this a little more convenient than just having an icon on your desktop. Because if you have a program already open, then you have to minimize all. If you a lot of times I have 3 or 4 programs going. I don't want to minimize them all to get to the desktop to click on this icon. So what we're going to do is going to right click again, come down here to pin the start menu. We'll go ahead and click that. Now it's down here and it's right here, pinned to your start menu. It will always be there, never go away. It'll always come up, start where you want it to. I told it to start my temp folder. And that's it, and I think that's very convenient, and I'm happy with the way it works now, and I want to thank you for watching this video.